All right, we're in MyMath, page 33. We're going to do pages 33 and 34 today. And today we're going to round to the nearest 10. So let's use the place value chart. Chase read an article about a football player who carried the ball for 437 yards. Round this number to the nearest 10. Use a place value chart. Circle the digit to be rounded, so the tens. Look at the digit to its right, so the 7. If the digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to the circled digit. So see now the 3 became a 4. Replace all the digits after the circled digit with zeros, so the zeros here. So the football player carried the ball for about 440 yards. Round to the nearest 10. 392. Circle the tens. Look next door. That's less than 5, so it's going to be 390. 126. Circle the tens. Look next door. This number is greater than 5, so we're going to add 1 to this, so 130. Use the number line to round to the nearest 10. 750 all the way to 760. So this is nice because we're going to find this number here on the number line and see where it's closer. So 753, it's right here. If we look at this, it's actually closer to 750. It's only 3 steps away. So 750. 758 is here, and it's actually closer to 760, just 2 steps away. So 760. 756, it's right here. It's past the 5, which is right in the middle. So since it's past the 5, this would be closer. 760. Let's go to page 34. Use the number line to round to the nearest 10. 302. So 302 here is close to 300. We're rounding this to the nearest 10, and the nearest 10 is actually no 10s at all. 304 is here. It's closer to 300. And 305 is right in the middle. If it has a 5, it goes this way. So the answer would be 310. Round to the nearest 10. 429. Circle the tens. Look here. 9 is greater than 5, so that's 430. 191. Circle the tens. Look next door. That's small. It's less than 5, so 190 is going to stay this. Just make a 0. 198. Circle the tens. 8 is greater than 5, so this number is going to move up. 198, 199, 200. So the next 10 would be actually no 10s at all. It's just 200. Number sense. Garrett's dog weighs 127 pounds. About how much does his dog weigh to the nearest 10 pounds? So 127, circle the tens, look next door. 7 is greater than 5, so I'm going to add 1. 130 pounds. About 130 pounds. For each sentence, write one of the following on the line. Round or nearest 10. To blank a number, you change its value to a number that is easier to work with. Rounded to the blank, 167 becomes 170. So this one is to round a number, and this one is rounded to the nearest 10. See, 167 becomes 170. Rounded to the nearest 10. Faith has added 143 songs to her music library on her computer. About how many songs is that? Round to the nearest 10. 143. So find that here. And if I look at the number line, it's very close to this number here. So let's look at our answers. This would make sense, but remember the question was round to the nearest 10. And this does not round to the nearest 10. It is close to that number. Now this rounds to a 10, but since it has a 3, this number stays the same. It can't be 150. 130 is a little bit farther. It'd be way over here. So the answer would be 140.